Hi, welcome back to my channel Nasbaks and Cooks. Today I have brought for you another very interesting recipe. So if you want to know it, I would like to request you to please watch my video patiently till the end. Let's get started now. Here I have some strawberries and I have some homemade cheese cream also. I'm going to use these two ingredients for the recipe. And this is the ring that I'm going to use. You can adjust the ring into any size of your choice. Today I'm going to use this cake slice instead of the cookies. Though there are cracks on top, it doesn't matter. So I'm going to put the cake slice into this. You can see in this way I have placed the cake. Let's keep this aside and start with the next procedure. In this bowl I'm adding around 1 tablespoon of unflavored gelatin. I'm adding some water. Now let's keep this aside to let it bloom. In the meantime, let's start preparing the cheese cream. I'm going to take around 250 grams. With the help of this beater, I'm going to beat nicely. Let's keep this aside and cut some strawberries. I'm going to use some sliced strawberries for the decorations and some for the strawberry compote. Here I keep some for the decoration and the other half for the compote. Into this I'm going to add around 8 teaspoons of sugar. Sugar you can add as per your taste. Let's place it on the stove and cook. You can see it has become so soft and it's well cooked also. Into this I'm going to add the cheese cream. And I'm going to cook for around 1 minute. Let's remove it from the stove. Now I'm going to place the sliced strawberries on the sides. In this way I have placed them, you can see. Let's add the melted gelatin into this. I melted in the microwave. Let's give a thorough mix, and after that I'm going to pour on top of the cake base and let it sit in the fridge for around 2 hours or so, or until it's nicely set. So you can see after 2 hours I have taken out from the fridge just now. It has nicely set. So I'm going to loosen the sides and unmold the ring. Slowly I'm going to loosen the sides and lift the ring. Just look at this. So beautiful. I'm just in love with the rich and deep red color of the strawberry. This is the right season to make this strawberry cheesecake. I'm going to pipe some whipped cream on top of it and garnish it with some strawberries too. In this way I have garnished the cheesecake, you can see. Do try this recipe. It's very simple to make, and believe me, it's very tasty also. I'll cut a slice of it and show you how does it look. Look at the texture. Let me dig in. Wow, it's so tasty, so smooth and silky. It just melts in the mouth. So if you like watching my video, please give a thumbs up, share and subscribe. And yes, please do comment also. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that whenever I upload any new videos, you will get the notifications. Thank you so much for watching my video patiently till the end.